You know those moments where your inbox is exploding? Customers just keep asking the same questions, and you're having to juggle 10 conversations all at the one time? I actually found something that I'm going to show you in today's video that fixes that without even having to hire anybody new. So all of the links for today's video will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. Let's get into it. Alright folks, so in today's video we are talking about this wicked little AI project that's going to help you save time by sorting out that inbox, guys. You can automate customer messaging all in the one place with actual AI employees, making things more efficient and, as I said, saving you time but also money. So the project is called Heyy. So we are actually logged in here on our user dashboard for you to have a bit of a look at in real time. So what you can actually do is spin up your own AI agent all within just a few minutes. You assign it a role, you go ahead and deploy it. You do this on your site like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and even more. Now the agent itself isn't just chatting. It can actually perform tasks such as creating leads, answering questions, booking calls, creating tickets, and handling all kinds of tasks all automatically. Seems too good to be true, right? So what Heyy actually is, it's an SaaS tool that essentially goes ahead and gives businesses AI employees, all trained within that business's specific data, so much more efficient than a human employee. All of these agents respond instantly, and more importantly, they stay on brand and stay consistent across all channels and Instagram, WhatsApp, everything you've got going on. They are essentially built to take action, not just talk, so you actually go ahead and get real outcomes which will lead to sales, to revenue, and in the end, profit. This happens in sales, marketing, and support. Really, really effective. The actual training setup itself is really easy, super easy to upload documents, connect your website, and adding your FAQs. It's also super easy to define the tasks for your agent to actually commit to. There's also a plethora of built-in workflows, CRM tools, and even integrations with e-commerce, CRMs, and calendars. Alright, so let's simply go here and press the hire an AI employee here and actually have a bit of a conversation. Let's name her Zoe and we can make it reception. Okay, Zoe Binder, customer support, create. Okay, so as you can see here, it gives you all of the data here, okay, and you can ask your AI agent anything, okay? You got persona, core principles, constraints, okay? You can go here to retire the AI employee if you want here, okay? Knowledge base here, actions, and I really love how they've actually got the performance, which is actually coming soon as well. So let's go to the playground and initiate a conversation. Alright, so what I've gone ahead and asked is, can you greet our new client, answer their question about our indoor plant prices, and then create a ticket number for their profile. Let's go ahead and let Zoe Binder respond there. Alright, so the response is, I apologize, but I couldn't find specific information regarding indoor plant prices in our knowledge base at this moment. I'll escalate the issue to a specialist who will be able to provide you with the pricing details and follow up with you directly. Fantastic. So I love the fact that it's showing that, okay, Zoe didn't immediately have the answer at reception, but she's not just leaving the client hanging. She's actually going ahead and escalating it to the manager who's going to get back to that client. So I love that. That's really impressive that this AI customer support is able to do that. Alright, so if you haven't realized how much time this has saved already and money, then, well, I don't know what's wrong with you, because to hire someone like this, it would cost money, take time to hire them, take time to fire them, to employ Zoe Binder in this particular case, and yeah, you're just basically saving a lot of money, effort, and time. And also, it runs 24/7. Pretty awesome. Alright guys, so if you want your own AI employee, being able to connect to WhatsApp, Instagram, your website, able to manage and speak with your clients in a really respectful manner and get you some really awesome results, save money, save time, 24/7 service, without you having to lift an actual finger apart from just this very cheap and affordable subscription for $149 per month on the most popular, you can actually go ahead and test out the demo first. It's free, and then see what you think from there. But quite simply, it is just the easiest way to automate your inbox. All of the links for Heyy will be at the top of the video description and in the pinned comments. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.